Okay, bago tayo mag-proceed doon sa ating first workshop, buksan muna natin yung system. Okay. Doon tayo punta sa database kung saan yung mga projects ay nakasave. So, here in PMDB. So, here, nakita nyo ito. Okay, ito yung mga projects natin. And, mapapansin nyo, yung mga EPS or EPS nodes is yellow and it's light violet. Mga EPS ang tawag dito or EPS nodes. Of course, this is the highest level of the EPS and in this view, mas madaling maintindihan. So, ito yung gagawin natin. Okay? Look, the highest level here is enterprise, where in the actual, this is your company, supposed to be your company, and we're going to use UB and BSc department as your company, and then we'll subdivide it similar to this. So ito yung gagawin natin, and later we'll create the projects under the branches or nodes of our EPS. So let's proceed. Okay, so this is your first workshop. Look, supposed to be, this is the enterprise, right? And we divided into training and capstone or your capstone projects. So here, as of now, we are under training. You are under training, and we have sample projects that we actually done last meeting. Then today we'll be having these workshops or series of workshops, and later we'll do your first baseline program. Okay, and of course once you have these ideas and nakagawa na kayo ng at least yung mga workshops na perform nyo ng ayos, and meron na tayong sample programs, so malaki na yung posibilidad na magawa nyo ng maayos yung capstone project ninyo. Okay, so but everything should start from EPS. So yan yung gagawin natin ngayon. Okay, okay, so andito tayo sa old database o sa first database natin. Close muna natin to, and in the first video andun yung creation of database without sample projects. So we'll go to that database. Okay, just check it and close, then click admin. So ito lang susundan nyo para magawa natin yung first workshop. Okay, so look, we have only one EPS node here, the main one. Could be this, it should be the top one or the highest level. Okay, now this is the draft of our EPS structure. So sa taas lagay natin yung UB BSc, and then yung level 2, yung second line, meron tayong training and capstone. So unahin natin yan. Okay, so this will be UB, make it capitalize. Okay, BSCE. Okay, then for your project ID, yes, you can just use UB. Okay, then under it, meron tayong ayan, okay, dalawa. Here, this the dialog box. Okay, I'm sorry, I should not go there. You click enterprise and then enterprise project structure, then you will add from here in this dialog box. So 1, 2. Okay, dapat magkasing level sila. Yung una, training, and then yung second ay capstone. So this will be training, and then ito yung capstone. Okay, sa inyo na yan, training programs or capstone programs, okay lang. So here, this is only code, so walang problema siya. Pwede nyo lagyan UB1, wag lang UB kasi nagamit na sa taas. So yung mga ID na yan, yung mga code nila, dapat unique. Okay, so meron na tayo second level. Okay, so para ma-visualize natin, o visualize nyo, close ko muna to. And as you notice, andito na siya. And andyan na, di ba? And similar to this. Okay, then this training, we'll divide it into three categories: sample projects, workshops, and baseline programs. Okay, so itong training. So balik lang tayo dito sa Gantt chart. Okay, so yung training, ito siya, divide natin sa tatlo. So again, punta ka sa enterprise, click enterprise project structure, and in this dialog box, di tayo mag-a-add 1, and look, magkatapat sila na. So adjust mo lang siya, one place to the right, and then add another 2. Okay, so this one, just skip adding UB. If you have UB1, it could be 1.1. Okay, or 1.2. Okay, this will be 1.2, and this will be UB 1.3. Okay, and here, yung una nating sample projects. Okay, and then workshops, dito natin ilalagay yung mga natin exercises. And okay, dito baseline programs. Okay, so ayan siya, tatlo doon. Then balikan natin yung draft. Okay, so ito siya. Then sa right side, meron tayong capstone. Divide natin siya sa draft programs. Ito kayo na yung gagamit nito. Lagay lang natin as well as now para naka-prepare for your capstone project. Okay, so draft, then baseline, and updated programs. Okay, so capstone, dagdag ka ng 3 branches. So ito, pag add mo, matapat siya, so gamitin mo yung arrow. Okay, then add another 2. Okay, ano nga yung una? Draft, then baseline, then updated. Okay, ito yung draft programs. Then we have baseline and updated. Programs, then updated programs. Okay, yung updated programs, future future training. So far we have our objective, yung paggawa ng baseline programs, which is enough for the submission of your capstone project. Okay, so if that is UB2, we can make it UB 2.1. This one should be UB 2.2, and this is UB 2.3. Okay, look at the coding. Ano lang naman yan, pare-parehas lang pagka ginawa nyo sa sa ibang system. Okay, so ito na siya. So yung training may 3 branches. Ganon din naman yung capstone projects. So, or capstone project. Ayan tayo dito. Siyempre, mag-start kayo sa draft. And then, practice. And then, dito nyo nagagawin yung yung totoo. Okay? So, close natin ito. Take note ha. Dito natin kinuha yan. Dyan. Okay? And once nagawa nyo na yan, kitang-kita naman sa color kung alin yung magkaka-level. By the way, speaking of the levels, go to dito, group insert, and yung EPS level 1, ito siya, yung UBBSCE, and then EPS level 2, yung green. Okay, ito siya, green. Then EPS level 3, yung yellow. And if we need to add another level, that would be color blue na pwede namang palitan. Okay, so okay, so this is our workshop number 1.